Hey everyone, I'm actually here to show you how to make a spray of, well, it's a protection spray. You spray it all around your house in a spray bottle. So one, you're going to need a spray bottle, and I'm going to show you. This is where I keep it. It looks muddy, murky, but don't worry, you'll see how it is. What you need are bay leaves, not a lot, but a good amount, okay? And the following, actually, you're gonna also need rue, 1 pack or 1 ounce. You're gonna need Saint Benedict's perfume, and again, perfume, Saint Ignacio perfume, and Saint Michael Archangel perfume, okay? And then you need exactly 1 gallon of water, just plain water, okay? So, what we're gonna do is pour the water, and we're gonna let it boil. Okay, so then we're going to pour the roux. Okay, then the bay leaves. Okay, it was kind of hard to get the bay leaves out, but because the amount of water in the gallon is so big, I went ahead and poured all of them in there. So we're just gonna squish them down, the roux and the bay leaves. Don't let any of it get stuck to the side. It all has to be boiled. Next, we need the perfumes. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and boil. We're gonna pour in Saint Saint Benedict, Saint Ignacio, and of course Archangel Saint Michael. Now there's one little extra thing that I add. All right, everyone. So I let this boil for about 45 minutes, and the leaves are, they're getting softer. Um, they need to be somewhat soft because you're going to need some of them to go into your spray bottle. And this is the one we use. We refill it. You see the rue, the bay leaves on the bottom. And again, this is where we keep it. So I'm going to pour as much as I can of that in here. And then I have another bottle that's empty, exactly the same. And I'm going to do that. But actually, you know what? I think this is done. It smells very perfumey. Yeah, that's done. All right, let's figure out how to get this. Well, first, let's turn this off. So, what I did was, let me see. No, that won't work. Okay, so if you have a bottle like this, there's many ways you can do this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get um this thingy, whatever it's called. Yeah, you know what it is. And a okay, I found it. So we're gonna mix it up a bit. Turn this that way. Try to get as much of the liquid as possible. And of course, you're gonna get some leaves, and we're gonna mush them down. In fact, let's just grab whatever we can. Ah, shit. Remember, I'm just showing that, like, you do not have to do all this mess that I'm doing. The important thing of this video is showing you what ingredients you need, how to just showing you the ingredients and how to make it. Ooh. This will keep every room protected. You have to do it spray daily. You can even spray outside. Let me see here. Hang on one second. So I'm going to use this straw to kind of mush down the leaves, because I didn't even notice that thing is actually pretty full. You know, give me a second, guys. Just give me a second. Let me do that. So there you go, guys. The 1 gallon is a lot. I didn't have an extra one, but if I did, I wouldn't have used it because the plastic is stretching and I didn't want it to buzz. So I used the Jose Cuervo in the 1800 bottles to put them in, but you got to be very careful to put in just the right amount so you can close it. And I spent probably about an hour rolling the bay leaves to put them in there. You can see how that's still hot. So I'm going to leave these alone for a while, let them cool off, and I will, anytime you need some, get the same um, get one of these and just pour it into. You know what? Maybe I should do that now. No, no, I ain't gonna mess with it. Nope. I'll just leave it as it is and wait till everything cools off because I know I'll make a mess. Anyways, this is John Michael. I hope you guys understood and understand what this is, what this recipe is for. It works wonders, and I promise you, it smells so good because of the perfumes. So, all right, guys, y'all take care. Bye bye.